Memories. We're making great memories.
Yes, we are. Living with the land. You've been on this ride? How many times? A lot, right?
Because Daddy loves this ride.
Welcome to a voyage of
Ellie, look for
discovery
hidden Mickeys, okay?
of the richness, the diversity, the often surprising nature of living with the land. Our journey begins as dramatic and sudden changes are sweeping over the land. The approaching storm may seem violent and destructive to us, but to nature, it's a new beginning in the cycle of life. Surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicines, and other elements essential to our lives.
Alligator, Ellie, over here. Right here. And then there's the monkey.
Oh, big gator right there.
In the desert, nature has created a very different, but no less beautiful living system. And while this arid landscape may seem lifeless, it is very much alive. The plants and animals that have learned to survive in these harsh conditions make use of what little water they can find and avoid the scorching rays of the relentless sun. The American prairie once appeared as desolate as the desert, but over time, rainwater and
Oh, look at
nutrients
the little prairie
gradually
dogs.
penetrated the hard surface of this land. Even the hooves of the mighty buffalo helped create the rich soil that would one day become home to the American farm.
Oh, the rooster.
They look so real, aren't they?
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Come on, that's so lucky to get a hug from you. I thought Daddy Daddy was the only one getting a hug this year. Say Daddy too? And Mommy? Having fun, baby?
Love you, kiddo.
Love you, baby.
In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water. In Japan, we're learning that by mixing leaves and other living materials into our soil, we can make farmland more fertile without the need for chemicals. Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides by breeding and using natural predators, like
they use
ladybugs
bugs,
and
Ellie.
wasps, to control pests. In the farmlands
How
of
will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, please remain
Oh, it's all
seated
decorated
in
for
your
Christmas
boat
with
at all
lights.
times.
Look.
Wow, so this is where I wanted to go on this.
Yep. I love it when they decorate it for Christmas.
Sand, Ellie.
Oh, there's even lights in the sand. They're like twinkling
Welcome
lights.
to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of
Oh,
Agriculture
snowmen.
illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land.
Wow, look at
Join
the
us
size of
as
that
we
ornament.
begin the most bountiful time
Yeah, we
of
have
the
those at
year.
our house.
Red fruit.
Mommy, what a beautiful
For some,
bougainvillea.
It's difficult to imagine the holidays
Bougain what?
without winter and snow.
Bougainvillea.
One
It's
of
just
the
fun to
most
say.
important holiday
Oh, look, they're not
crops
snowmen, they're
actually grows in the
sandmen.
For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact,
papayas are delicious.
Cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
Apple.
Oh.
Water lily.
Allspice? I didn't know that that was actually a single item. I thought that was a mix. Cacao. Oh, I love how they have the lights through there. Look, a peanut butter tree.
Peanut butter tree.
Butter tree.
There's leek pepper.
Uh-huh.
And there's miracle fruit.
Whoa, look at those fluted pumpkins.
Huge, Ellie.
They're miracle fruit.
Those are gigantic.
Miracle fruit.
Ooh, those are cool. Anything you eat after you eat them tastes sweet.
Banana tree.
Those are where the bananas come from. I've always wanted to try a miracle fruit.
Me too.
Yeah. Lion, though.
Tastes like.
Tried it.
So like you could eat a miracle fruit and then eat something really salty and it would taste sweet.
When you think of holidays, you might not think of fish, but seafood
Look for hidden
is an
Mickeys,
essential
okay?
part of many festive meals. In parts of southern Italy, family and friends gather once a year to celebrate La Vigilia with a 7-course seafood dinner. Tilapia, bass, and shrimp, like the ones raised here, using
Aw.
our sustainable water systems.
I think
make
I
up
see
for
one.
Some of the dishes served during this grand meal. Today, in the United States, the tradition is known as the Feast of the Seven Fishes.
Okay, so.
The Feast of the Seven Fishes. We used to do that. My family. I see a hidden mini. Oh, look, a Christmas tree. And a snowman.
I found one Mickey and one Minnie.
Okay.
Sayonara.
Citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common
Oranges?
in Florida, but in northern Europe, where
I
fresh
see a
fruit
huge
is rare in
Mickey.
winter,
Whoa, that's not very hidden.
harder to find.
And he looks
Making
like a
it extra
he looks like a
special
reindeer. That's awesome.
Sunflowers.
During Chinese New Year, these vibrant
Lemongrass
fruits are
we
given
have
as
that.
gifts.
We have that at our
of good
house. Ours
fortune.
aren't that big though. It is, right?
Sea lilies.
They look like peppers.
Basil.
Uh-huh.
Coffee.
Oh, hold on. I think I need a
Blue
cup of that. Can we get a coffee?
agave,
Can you
They
just...
say it's better to give than to
American.
receive.
Agave
In
is
this
very
greenhouse,
sweet.
We're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the
Sugar
land
cane.
using innovative farming
9
techniques.
pounds
Oh, look at all the pretty lights.
peppers.
By recycling water, we can give
Elephant.
plants
We need to
rich
come through here at
nutrients.
night one
By
time.
giving plants ladybugs,
Yeah.
we're able to control pests
Cucumber?
and reduce the need for
Ellie, look,
pesticides.
Cinderella
And
pumpkins
by
because they look
growing
like
brown
carriages.
vertically,
Yeah, like
we
Cinderella
give them
pumpkin.
better protection from disease.
And there's spaceship and there's NFT.
Uh-huh, and lettuce. Look at all those little lettuce on there.
Lettuce. Oh, some of them are brown.
That's the color of them.
Some of them.
It's a red leaf lettuce. Cuban oregano. Look how huge it is.
Tomato. Eggplant.
Eggplants. I love eggplant.
I hate
With these
it.
gifts,
Whoa.
our plants can grow in abundance
Eggplant.
of
Wow,
festive
look at all the
vegetables.
eggplant.
Look at that. That's a
This
weird looking
greenhouse alone
gourd.
produces more than 15
Look at that.
tons of
What?
produce
Honey?
each year,
Apple.
What is that?
ground.
Look at that.
We
One's
receive,
apple ground.
making the
Gourd.
most of the land's green
Cucumbers.
gifts.
Microgreens.
Oh, some spicy peppers.
Microgreens.
Oh, I like those bulbs. Those are cool. Cucumbers, yeah.
Whoa.
Many of the plants you see here help spice up the holidays. The bark of
Ha-
cinnamon trees,
spice up?
like the one growing beside you, is used to make cinnamon sticks.
One
Oh, I look at the
vertical
cinnamon
farming.
and ginger.
You can thank nutmeg for its signature taste.
Look,
Other
vertical
spices,
farming.
like
Mhm.
ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a variety of holiday
Look,
cookies,
this.
cakes, and other delights.
Snapdragon.
By cultivating these festive plants with care and good cheer, Epcot scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many gifts.
It's so festive. Look at those big, those giant squash.
Oh, giant, Kelly.
Oh my gosh, that's a squash. Biology lab.
Yeah, they're doing like experiments and stuff with the plants in there. Oh, look at the green lights on there. It's so cool.
Whoa, and they're like, what are those?
I don't know. It says variety trial.
Variety trial.
I'm guessing there's a whole bunch of different stuff.
Look,
Aww. With the slippers and a hot cocoa.
These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce bountiful harvests for our growing population. Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment. Only then will we truly be living with the land. On behalf of Walt Disney World, we hope you've enjoyed this unique journey through our living laboratories. If you'd like a closer look, then check out the Behind the Scenes walking tour. It's a chance for the whole family to get up close and personal with the plants and growing techniques in our laboratories.
Living with the land at Christmas is the best. I wasn't expecting the giant Rudolph Mickey. That was awesome. And they just, with the lights and everything they do, it's cool. It's such a chill ride. It's always easy. You don't have lines for it. Probably why it's my favorite ride. I hope you enjoyed Living with the Land as much as I enjoy Living with the Land, especially at the holiday season. Please go watch the rest of the day we had over there at the Festival of the Holidays at Epcot. The box is over there. You can clicky click. Maybe consider subscribing. Thumbs up. Oh yeah, Dad doesn't do outros. So that's it.